Ever needed a function to handle any number of arguments without writing a dozen overloads? That's exactly what rest parameters solve in TypeScript. Rest parameters use the three-dot-spread syntax to collect multiple function arguments into a single array. Instead of defining separate parameters for each argument, you prefix a parameter name with 3 dots, and TypeScript automatically bundles all remaining arguments into that array. This gives you flexibility to accept any number of values. In TypeScript, you annotate rest parameters with an array type. For example, .args::string array means the function accepts any number of string arguments. You can also use number array for numeric arguments, or even union types like string or number array. The type annotation ensures type safety for every argument collected. There's one critical rule. The rest parameter must always be the last parameter in your function signature. You can have regular parameters before it, but nothing can come after. This makes sense because the rest parameter captures all remaining arguments. Let's see a real example. Imagine a sum function that adds any number of values. You define it as function sum with .numbers::number array. Inside, you use reduce to add them up. Now you can call sum with 2 numbers, 5 numbers, or even 0 numbers. The rest parameter handles all cases cleanly. Rest parameters collect unlimited arguments into a typed array using the 3-dot syntax, giving you flexible function signatures. Practice using them in your next TypeScript project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.